Hi guys! Good evening to everyone. Now is September 25, 2025, Thursday. And guys, di ba it's already Bear Month na? So happy and early Merry Christmas to everyone or happy Bear Month to everyone. Oh, look at guys, oh. Christmas na sa amin guys. Charot. And this is my place guys. Simple, small but terrible. Charot again. Guys, did you remember guys? Month of September in history was the birthday. September 8 was the birthday of Mama Virgin Mary, and also September 8 was the birthday of King Richard I in England. The bravest na tao in history. Ang pinaka matapang na tao in history. So, naka-lion heart ako ngayon. Naka-lion ako ngayon guys, oh. Parang lion heart. King Richard I in England. Charot again guys. Guys, sa video kong to, i-flex ko ang video ko na vacuum rotating phone holder, key 11, galing sa Liao Tongxing na shop. Ito siya guys, oh. Yan. The moment of truth guys, ha. I hope tingnan nyo po ang video ko hanggang sa dulo. Ang dali-dali lang nito. Look at guys, tingnan nyo po. The moment of truth guys. Key 11 vacuum suction mobile holder, or on the other term, or on the other word, tinatawag din to na key 11 vacuum rotating phone holder. Magnetic to siya guys. Oh, magnetic bracket for smartphones. Oh, wait guys ha, ang iPad ko malaki yan. I-rotate natin guys ha, magbabacuum siya. Rotate. Nagbabacuum siya guys, oh. iPad yan, malaki yan. How much more kung phone lang, di ba? Ang super light lang ng phone, ang gaan lang ng phone. I-rotate natin guys, oh. Oh, nagbabacuum ang phone, di ba? Yan. Kung nasa loob kayo ng sasakyan nyo guys, pwede ilagay nyo sa salamin to. Like for example, dito, salamin to. Pero freezer to guys ha, hindi to salamin guys ha. I-rotate natin guys ha. Rotate. Magbabacuum siya guys. Kukuha tayo ng phone. Pero wag kayong gagamit nito guys ha. Kung nakaandaan sa sasakyan nyo, baka madisgrasya kayo guys. Slowly guys ha. Oh, right to the left guys. Rotatable siya guys. Diba? Right to the left. Diba? Ang ganda pa ng quality nito. Tapos ang mura-mura lang. Ang bait pa ng seller. Kung gusto nyong tatanggalin, tanggalin nyo. Yan. Tanggalin natin. Yan. So, guys, yan po. Yan. Kung hindi na gagamitin, yan. I-rotate natin, magbabacuum siya. Tapos, i-down natin guys. Parang wala lang nangyari. Yan. Oh. I-down natin, oh. Diba? Oh. What can you say guys? Diba? Ang ganda. Guys, what do you think? Do you like it or not guys? Key 11 rotating vacuum phone holder. So sa lahat ng mga friends ko dyan, God bless us all. Thank you so much.